In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily silence your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and right now I'm recording a video and I don't want anyone to distract me with their calls or notifications. So the easiest way as for me to silence my iPhone is just go to the control center just like that and then activate Do Not Disturb mode. We can easily activate it by tapping at that icon, and if it says do not disturb here, if someone calls me right now, I won't even see the call on my screen. It will just show up in missed calls after it ends. As for me, I like to switch focus mode to silence my iPhone. However, there is another way. Also, to silence your device, you can switch that silence button. We can just switch it just like that. Now it says silence mode off, and also we can switch it to turn it on. And while silence mode turned on, if someone calls me, I'll see the call on the screen, but I won't hear their ringtone. That's how you can easily silence your iPhone.